Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. And welcome to the second and final part of this new Plants vs. Zombies 2 double series. Lightning Reed edition. Alright, no more yapping, let's go. Okay, so, oh boy. Endangered primal walnuts, huh? Okay. Okay, so I think we'll need the pumpkin for sure. Good. Okay. Actually, remove the 3-peater and do the solar tomato. Actually, bye-bye kernel pulp. And let's bring in my newest plant. Should be here somewhere. Ooh, pomegranate. Yep, I recently obtained the pomegranate. Okay. So, go bloom. Laser beam, lightning reed, of course. Okay. Okay, so. Perfect. Uh-oh. God. I'll start. Okay. Alright, hurricane you up. Alright, oh boy. Oh boy. You know what? Armor for you. So let's go. Alright. Whoa! There. Oh boy. Alright. Oh no, Phew! Alright, that was a little dicey, but manageable. Alright, last level. Oh boy, uh-oh. Endangered lightning reeds and meteor flowers. Interesting. Okay. No projectiles, good. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to need laser beams. Whoa, fireball's coming down. That's good in this situation. Alright, so, so far so good. I'll just save that for let's see how this plants. Alright. Whoa, that's a lot of Actually, why did I put place that there? I don't know. Going good so far. Hurricane. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Perfect, okay. Alright. That was complete. Alright, and we got more lightning root seed packets. Let's grab them and go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video and the entirety of the double series. Please click the like button down below, and to subscribe, click on the picture of ways to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Plants vs. Zombies 2. See you later. Bye!